morning, beautiful people. How are you? Wow. I am currently lazy. So I decided to remove my press-ons, and you guys see those little bubbles in there? Like, I'm telling you, my nail is breathing.
Finish, but it's not greasy or slippy. It's more like on a sticky side. So I feel like it would last longer, or like it wouldn't slip off your face. The texture feels nice is what I'm saying, for a very dewy blush, because that's dewy. I like that. Oh my gosh, it's raining cats and dogs outside right now.
Don't get scared. It's just a face mask. So, I guess today is Sunday, self-care day. Do you have that monologue with your internal voice? Do you have an internal voice? Because I do. And every time I'm speaking with this internal voice, we end up fighting. Like, she's always the baddest one, and I feel like that's my ego. I don't know exactly, but she's the one telling me, you're so stupid, you're not worth it, you know, all that bad stuff. And I feel like that's not true. That's not fucking true. As I said, I don't know if you guys understand what the heck I'm trying to say here, but I have this voice in my head that keeps telling me what to do and what not to do. Always keeps telling me that I'm not worth it, I'm not good enough. My voice is shaking because this is so fucking true. I don't want to get emotional. Yeah, everything is a mess, and it feels like I'm listening more and more to this internal voice, and I don't want to. I don't want to. How do I get rid of her? She's bad. She's mean. She's not me. She's a bad bitch with no ethics. I'm the sensitive one. I decided to do another face mask because I have free will and I do whatever the heck I want. Yeah. I just prepared my salad. She looks hella sexy. I added some piña. Anyway, so I made a simple dough, and I'm going to let it chill in the oven because it's a little bit warm in there. Yay! This looks good. So I'm going to make the filling. This is queso fresco, and I let this drain for a few hours. As you can see, there's so much liquid we don't want. I have eggs, Philadelphia, vanilla sugar, raisins, and some orange zest. I forgot to mention I'm going to add some sugar as well because this is a sweet, cheesy empanada, kind of, but Romanian style. When in doubt, have some pork belly. This is curated smoked pork belly. I have two types right here. This has a little bit of meat, but I honestly prefer the fat one without the meat. Fresh onion, red onion to be more specific, bread, red wine, and salt. So this is very traditional. I sometimes prefer a cup of tea, mint or chamomile tea. I also like rose hip tea. If you guys ever get the chance to go and visit Romania, please try curated pork belly or pork fat, but it must be smoked. That's the best one. I Swear to you, you won't regret trying this out. I mean, it's not for everyone, that's for sure. Some people likes it with garlic. I prefer onion. It's the best in my opinion. Also, red onion. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you? Today is Wednesday. I woke up like this. I just took a shower. Oh my goodness, it felt so good because it was almost boiling hot. And I applied a bunch of body cream. It feels so nice. Anyway, one of my TikTok videos yesterday kind of blew up. It got to almost 20k views, which is nice. I want that amount of traffic on my channel every single day. It was nice seeing all the people coming in and liking and commenting. I was vibing with that energy yesterday. My voice is a little bit cracky today. Anyway, so I guess I'll see you guys a little bit later. Cheers with coffee. You're not supposed to do that. You guys, oh my god, exactly what I was telling you 3 seconds ago. So it got to 8,000 views. What's strange to me is the fact that no one left a single comment. Like, people don't want to engage in the comment section. I don't know why. I find it a little bit weird. But I also got like 6-7 new subscribers. I'm excited. You see, that's exactly what shorts does for me. Like, it helps me with the views and with the subscriber count, but I'm not making any money from the shorts videos. I'm just getting subscribers and views. You guys, have you tried to fry avocado? Because I haven't. So it wasn't ready yet. It was too hard, and I said, you know what, let me just fry it a little bit. If you ask me, it looks hella good. So I'm currently here. I toasted some bread, and on top I added a mix of garlic mayo and some other stuff in there. This is the leftover from last night. We had burgers, so I made this sauce and my eggs, and I'm waiting for the avocado to be ready and the tuna. You guys, fried avocado is freaking banging. I had before baked avocado in the oven with eggs and bacon. It tastes almost the same. It's so freaking good. And now it got so soft. I love it. I will be here for the rest of the day. Wednesday is officially on Netflix. It's 4 p.m. and I'm having lunch. Yeah, that's not lunch anymore. But anyway, so I finished editing my video for tomorrow. And right now I'm exporting. I'm going to eat this and call my boyfriend and ask him what he wants to have for lunch. What? I mean dinner. Probably again fish and artichokes. We love that combo. So that's that. Let me just dig in and watch Wednesday. Good morning. I gave her catnip. Sunbathing. Get that vitamin D, bitch. You guys remember the queen's jam I made? I'm going to have it with some cheese. It smells so good. The best combo ever. I made a little charcuterie for me. So yeah, I'm having lunch. Come eat with me. Come on, let's eat together. Let's celebrate this new week and make it special, I guess, because you never know. You never know what universe can bring your way. I'm ready. I don't know why, but I have this good feeling. Something good is about to happen, and I'm here for it. I'm ready. Bring it on, universe. I find myself drinking more tea these days just because the weather doesn't look that great. So I don't know, I feel like my body asks for teas. I'm having some linden tea. That's my favorite tea ever, but this is not the original. Like, I like the old school, picked from the tree linden. This is store-bought. Honestly, it tastes like nothing. Let me just have a sip. So I just had lunch. I did dishes. Now I'm having my tea, and I also have turkey and chicken. I added some spices, garlic, a little bit of orange in there, wine, you know, all that good stuff. I need to take care of this, but later. Now I'm not in the mood. I'm going to have my tea and edit a little bit my vlog. Honestly, this weather makes me cry. Like, I feel depressed just looking outside. Chicken and turkey looks yummy, and also it smells yummy. We have some cabbage salad with some vinegar, oil, and then I'm making mashed potatoes. So that's our dinner for tonight. This looks yummy. I can't make this up. Like, I'm sitting here in silence watching TikToks and she's snoring. Do you have pets that snores? Years ago, we used to put her bed in our bedroom, and my boyfriend snores and she snores, and some nights it was a nightmare for me to sleep because they both started to snore. That wasn't fun. At least for me. So I decided to make myself another cup of tea. I'm using Nightly Calm. This is my last one. It's so good. And then I have some honey from Romania. I have a little bit left. This is acacia or acacia honey. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite honey ever. It's all natural. It's not store-bought. It's like directly from the source. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it a night and see you guys tomorrow.